My son is telling me the barbecue ribs are in here based on the pinhole hack. So let's see if he's right. Okay. First bag. And he is correct. There's the ribs. This is the one I've wanted to see probably the most from this series. They did give us a basting brush. Of course, we have a table. I think this is a really cute idea. I've also really loved the salad and a couple other ones from this series. Barbecue sauce. What else do we have in here? Barbecue spice rub. And, of course, the tray. This time I did not rip through that. I think there's supposed to be a little cup somewhere. Did I discard that off to the side? Where is it? I found it. It was in one of the packages. It's very easy to throw the tiny pieces away. I've done that before. I've lost some straws and some other stuff. So always make sure once you open it, you look at the checklist and everything that's supposed to come with it is there. Here's what it looks like. Looks like you can disconnect these, or maybe no, there is one on the side, it looks like. There's already some color to it, but we're gonna add some sauce and the rub and cure it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stack mine like that and fuse them together, or if I want them separately so it could be played with. I haven't decided yet, but let's take a look. I'm assuming they're gonna have a rubbery texture, but we shall see. If I can get the container open. There we go. I have tape on my hand. Yeah, they do have like a little bit of a squishy texture to them. So we have one on the side and then one like that. So I think I'm going to put the resin on them and add the seasoning, and then I'm going to cure them all like this, and then I will arrange them. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just let her play with them instead of fusing them together like that. Yeah, we'll do that. I think it's really cute how they did it on the picture with it like that, but with the newer resin it takes so long to cure, and I'm just not sure I could pull that off. So I'm gonna get my table. Actually, I'm gonna use this table because it already has resin on it. That one was from, I think, the popsicles yesterday. I guess technically we could do both sides if you wanted. I don't know if it matters what side you do it on. But I'm gonna open this and just add, oh my gosh, it looks just like barbecue sauce. How cute. They definitely do a good job with like the colors and the way stuff is supposed to look, that's for sure. Okay, let's take this and brush the barbecue. This is so cute. And an easy build too. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do in the future with different food ideas they're gonna come up with. There we go. That has a nice thick layer on it. I should probably hold this one with the tweezers, but maybe I don't need that. Nice and easy. Let's do a sprinkling from the spice rub. Oh my gosh, there's a little brown and black pieces in there to look like pepper and different seasonings. Nailed it with that. And if you let it sink into the resin a little bit, it looks very natural. That is so cute. We like well seasoned food over here, so I'm gonna add pretty much to it. It also shows you doing the barbecue sauce separately, but like why? We're just gonna fill it up now and then just stick the whole thing outside. So cute. Okay, I will be back once it's cured. This turned out so cute. You can see the seasoning on there real well. Just a really easy build. And I did cure it, and I even turned it over so it can cure really well. Stack them on there. Then you could try to do the dripping sauce thing, but I feel like I'm not that skilled, so I won't be doing that. But I think this turned out wonderfully. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give this a 9. Cute, easy to build, realistic, pretty foolproof. So love it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see me make more of these, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll be doing so many more. Bye guys.